Yo guys, today we're gonna join Gohan Beast Mode. Yep, Gohan Beast Mode. Now it's time to start. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel and give me a nice comment, and don't forget to give me a like too. Now let's start. First, we start drawing these two lines. That two line gonna help us to add the face. For the face, we only have to use like shapes. In this case, it's almost like a triangle. Yep, like a triangle. And don't forget to drawing the huge ears. I don't know if you realize that Dragon Ball Z characters have a huge, bigger ears, and that is weird. But by the way, I love Dragon Ball. For the neck, we only have to draw these lines. And remember, the neck of Gohan in this mode is really stronger. The muscle is big. Now it's time to the chest. I think Gohan have to do every single day like 100 push-up or maybe 1000. Man, look that chest. It's huge, bro. That chest is really bigger. Oh my goodness. Now for the hair. The hair is large. Is the head of Gohan to time. And pay attention about the local hair of Gohan in this mode, cause it's really important. Now let me add some detail in the face, like the eyes, nose and mouth. And don't forget the thing that they have here is like a W. Guy, if you pay attention about the details of Gohan face, you only have to draw in this with shapes, easy shapes. For example, look the eyes. For the eyes, I use 3 lines and a oval, and that is it. It's so simple. And don't be rude with the pencil. When you use the pressure of the pencil, be easy. Don't be hard. Try to be soft. And don't forget to comment what characters do you want for the next video. Now the nose is just a triangle. Like you wash is a triangle. Now let me add some details, and the mouth is really near to the nose in this case. And now it's time to the hair. Pay attention about the local hair, cause like I told you before, it's really important in that characters. And now guys, it's time to add details. Yep, time to add details.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest.
And here we have our Beast Gohan. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel and see you next time. Bye bye.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a